Hi my friends, today I want to show you another car from Hot Wheels, also Muscle Mania collection that I found. It's about a Camaro ZL1. This is a yellow one with a black stripe, and I found it these days on the shelves and I want to show it to you. What do you think about it? We have a small spoiler on the back, bigger wheels on the back, door handles, radio antenna, trash holders on the doors. Not very detailed, but it's okay. It's quite heavier. Yeah. So, what do you think about it? Do you like it? Please let me know below in the comments. And don't forget, like, share and subscribe if you like what I'm doing here. See you next time. Bye.